So whenever you create events, you can create events for different calendars. So to do that, I'm going to go around and create an event right here. And by default, it's creating a calendar event for the main calendar that you have. But you can go around onto more option, and let's say this is my personal event. So I'm just going to go around as something like go to dentist right here, just like this. Then I can go around over here onto the option and then choose personal over here, just like this. And you can see that it detected out the type of charm over here for it as well. And then I can go around and click on save, and then that is what you have. I can go around over here on to, let's say for example, more options, and let's say for example go to cinema right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say go to cinema, and over here I'm going to expand, and you can see that I can go around and select out calendar from my Gmail as well. So I can go around for TutorTube and then discard out the event and press save, and then it's using my entirely different account right here. I can also see my other calendars over here, just like this. So I can go around over here and access out my calendar from my Google account as well. And over here you can see that that is what you have. I can go for birthdays right here, just like this, or enable out these particular calendar events as well. And once I do that, on both of my accounts, I can add in calendars, and I can see calendars from both of my accounts over here as well. So that is how you can go around and create events for different calendars from Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.